We traveled to Texas to visit a leading trailer manufacturer, a family company whose legacy of quality, durability, and craftsmanship is the foundation for all they do. Proudly made in the USA, their trailers are machines of resilience, designed to exceed expectations, helping businesses of all sizes achieve their version of the American dream. Join us in Brookston and meet Delco Trailers.
Here at Delco Trailers, we are a trailer manufacturer in Northeast Texas. We build and produce a full line of trailers, from stock trailers to dump trailers to equipment trailers, utilities, deck overs, you name it, we just build it. We're consistently trying to separate ourselves from the market, give us a competitive advantage. We want to build a strong trailer, we want to build a reliable trailer that will work for the customer and also help our dealers build a good product, build a good brand, bring good value to the marketplace.
So the technology and craftsmanship we use, we invest highly in our automation. So we use high-end lasers, copers, and robots to make our product. We also have highly skilled craftsmen who have been doing this job for years, very highly trained welders to make sure everything's as precise as it can be.
Every industry can benefit from our trailers since we build a large lineup from livestock to dump trailers, utilities. And it presents a business opportunity for so many people in so many different industries. What makes Delco team great is because Delco is a company that is in the people business. If we believe in people and we invest in people, that's what makes a team great. And as a company, we invest in them and help them grow to their full potential.
I've made relationships with a lot of dealers, and I still have them 10 years later. That's a big part of our business. It's relationship based, so we care just as much for our dealers as we do for our family.
The skills and the knowledge and even the confidence that I've gained here at Delco Trailers, I wouldn't have been able to gain anywhere else, and that's solely because of the team that's believed in me. They say that we're a family company, and that's how you're treated here. We are very much a family company, and I love Delco.
What makes Delco Trailers one of the world's greatest is our relentless dedication to building one of the highest quality products in the market. With the investments we've made in our infrastructure, our machinery, our processes, and our people, allowing us to produce a high quality trailer and bring it to the market with strong relationships and partnerships with our partners, we are striving every day to earn the title of being the world's greatest.